Good day. I'm going to make a few videos on notation, as it is the base of a lot of stuff that we need to do in maths. I'm always going to do a question first and then have a discussion on notation after that. Here is our first question then. The question says, write the following in setbuilder notation. Here the indicated numbers on a number line, and I'm going to talk you through it. Here it says we want the number 2 including 2 and all the numbers left of 2. We also want the number 5 not including the 5 but everything just on the right hand side of 5. There are millions of points on that line there. That means they want millions of numbers. Just between 5 and 6 there's a million numbers already. So that means we're going to work with real numbers. And now we're going to check how we're going to indicate it in setbuilder notation. The numbers, including 2, there's a black dot above the 2, including 2 and left of 2 will be written like this. We write X, you can write any small letter of the alphabet here. I'm going to use X all the time, and this means I'm looking for all the numbers smaller and equal to 2. And that's how you write it in set. This is how you write it in setbuilder notation. I scratched this out because it can confuse some people in the beginning. I'm doing it in just now again. Then, because there's a gap between these two lines, I'm going to put an OR down now. Now we write the numbers that are indicated over here. These numbers are the numbers that are not 5, but just bigger than 5. So we wrote here X. The numbers we are looking for is bigger than 5. Because there's a solid line there and there, I indicate that this is real numbers. And this is my final answer. We're looking for X values. The values must be smaller and equal to 2, or, there's a gap there, the numbers must be bigger than 5, and they must be real numbers. So the following in setbuilder notation is then written like this. Now to notation in general. I still took this question they gave us, and I just want to explain to you that the answers you can give in an exam from grade 9 to grade 12 and at university, you will need to understand the different ways of notation. There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways. You can answer a question like this in interval notation, like this. It says x is an element of minus infinity to 2 including 2, or x is an element of 5 excluding 5 up to infinity. That's one way of answering this. Setbuilder notation we just did. I just want to show you something else. I said here that x is smaller and equal to 2. That's that part there. Or x is bigger than 5, it's that part there, and x element of real numbers. You could also have written it the other way around. X is smaller and equal to 2 is the same as that. X is bigger than 5 is the same as that. I need the OR in both my answers and x element of R, so that you'll see is the same. But this can even be swapped around, so you need to understand what you're doing. The number line is what they gave me, so this number can be indicated on the number line, still the same answer. You can also write in an exam, an essay for the people, if you understand this. It says the numbers smaller and equal to 2 or bigger than 5 that are real. That's another way to answer a question like this if they don't force you into any one of these notations. And then the specific one cannot be written as a set. A set is if you put curly brackets there and then some answers in here. I wrote here, this one cannot be answered like that. So notation, there are 5 ways of answering some questions from now for the rest of your life. So please try and understand what I just wrote here.